Hello, how's everybody doing? I'm Wanda. Welcome to my channel, Quietly Be Debt Free. Today I got my new indoor grill, my Ninja indoor grill, and I want to open it up with you. So here's the box, and it's got Ninja on the box, Ninja Foodi grill, and I want to open it up. So here we go. All right, let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, I got Pink Squeak and Pinky D. And this is what it looks like in here. All right, there we go. Ninja Foodi Grill. It's a 5-in-1 grill. And it was recommended to me by my friend Jacqueline, who is a vegetarian. And Jacqueline told me that this foodie grill, it roasts vegetables so well. And she was telling me about how her granddaughters, they like to cook their wings in this grill. She said that the kids said that it's very delicious, but I'm just excited about using it for roasting vegetables and just cooking. It's going to help me kind of, have some free time. I'm hoping that it'll roast vegetables so that, I can have some healthy eating options and some easy ones. Some easy way to cook it. Oh my goodness. Well, it's definitely stuck in here. All right, let me see if I can flip it over. Okay, that was a job. All right, so here it is. Definitely kind of heavy. All right, look at this. All right, so here's the box. And this shows you Ninja Foodi Grill. There it is. So let me take it out so we can both see what it looks like together. Everybody's always looking for a way that can make a way to cook and just make your life a little bit easier while you're trying to make money, save money, and be debt free. And also, having those vegetables is going to be good if you're working on just being healthy.